I've just purchased another 3D printer, a Bambu P1S combo. This will come in handy for making parts for my woodworking. Sorry, but I've had to re-upload this video and change the soundtrack as I had a copyright notice off YouTube, even though the music was downloaded off some so-called royalty-free music website. Anyway, sorry for the inconvenience. Enjoy the video. Inside the bottom of the box we have some sample filaments and other bits and bobs that we'll take a look at shortly. One user manual. .3D printing a simple battery wall mount for my 12-volt Parkside batteries. This printer has come in very handy at the moment for 3D printing parts, such as the knob for adjusting my table saw, as I accidentally snapped off the original, so I designed one in Fusion 360. The printer is quite expensive, but like the saying goes, you get what you pay for. It is a very good printer, printing superb quality and very beginner friendly. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below and I will do my best to answer them. Or if you have a 3D printer and you use one in your workshop, let me know in the comments what you use and how you find it. print is successfully finished. It's a battery holder for 4 Parkside 12-volt batteries. This printer, the Bambu P1S, absolutely excellent printer, well recommended for woodworking, for building tools, parts for table saws, miter saws, etc. I've used it quite a bit now and I've made quite a few woodworking bits with it, so definitely glad I got it. Printed perfectly in PET G. This is the wall-mounted battery storage that I printed out on my Bambu P1S printer for Parkside 12-volt batteries. So yeah, happy with the 3D printer. It's going to come in very handy for woodworking and making parts for saws, table saws, or anything that breaks with use like normal. Also, printed a couple of little set squares that is printed perfectly, 100% accurate. So yeah, all in all, very happy. .3D printing a simple 4 battery DeWalt battery caddy on my Bambu P1S 3D printer. If you haven't already, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, as it helps my channel grow. Thanks to everybody that has supported me and subscribed already. Thank you, I really appreciate it. If you would like to see a full unboxing, setup and review of this printer, check out my 3D printing YouTube channel, link in the description. One finished DeWalt battery adapter to carry my DeWalt batteries around, very handy. I'm serious paying stupid money on eBay for a 3D printed one, even has DeWalt on the top.